Welcome to ANIL Sathorn 12, a recently completed luxury condominium in the center of Bangkok CBD, Sathorn, with at your doorstep the BTS station Saint Louis SkyTrain. So let's take a look inside and let me tell you everything about it. We're now on the ground floor in the main lobby and reception area, where we also have the automatic car parking. So you call your car with your card and you can see it coming out on the screen in live timing. Here is your mailbox room located right next to the concierge service. They have 3 different floors for facilities. We're on the 12th floor. Let's check out what they have. First of all, we have an outside kitchen dining area with views of all of Sathorn and a little garden, very nice. And just to the left, you have one of the 2 lounges. Let's have a look. And we also have a social dining culinary area. Let's have a look inside. So you have a kitchen that you're able to reserve and book for at your own leisure. So it's a perfect venue for gatherings with family, friends, and you also have a meeting room. They even have a kids' playroom. And if one lounge isn't enough, you also have a second one. But this one is a bit more of a co-working space where you can sit down, do work, and just relax. And you even have these private little boxes that can be used if you need some privacy while you work. We're now on the 2nd facility floor, which is the 41st floor, which is the main swimming pool area. And there's even a rooftop garden. Let's take a look. Now let's go to the other side and check out the swimming pool. On your left, you have your kids' pool, a shower, and here is the L-shaped swimming pool. Now for the 3rd and final facility floor, let's take a look at the panoramic sky gym on the 42nd floor. Come. And there's also a yoga and Pilates room. Here we have the gym bathroom and there's a little surprise at the back. Follow me. You have your locker room, showers, and a sauna. And not just only a sauna, but also a steam room. Now let's take a look at the show units. First of all, we have the 2-bedroom, 63 square meter. As soon as you walk in, you have your L-shaped kitchen with marble countertops, your dining table area right here, and just giving onto your spacious living room and your floor-to-ceiling windows. With just a gorgeous view here on the 26th floor. Now, follow me on the left through this corridor. On your left, you have a bathroom with shower, toilet, and sink. And on your right, you have your 1st bedroom, which can be configured as a multi-purpose room, a little bedroom, or even just an office. Finally, follow me down the end of the corridor. We have the master bedroom. And again, floor-to-ceiling windows, gorgeous views of all of Bangkok. You have closet space on your left leading onto your bathroom with toilet, sink, and rain shower with a bathtub. Now for the 2nd show unit, let's take a look at the 1-bedroom, 46 square meters. As soon as you walk in, again, you have your kitchen on your left with room for a little dining table here. Then you have your living space and lounging area with, again, floor-to-ceiling windows. And leading onto your bedroom where you have your queen-size bed here, room for office nightstand, this side or this side, either side of your bed, and again floor-to-ceiling windows. And here you have all the closet space that you need, right opposite your ensuite bathroom with sink, toilet, and rain shower.
If you're interested in purchasing a new property in Thailand, whether it's in Bangkok, Phuket, Pattaya, Hua Hin, Koh Samui, Krabi, or Koh Phangan, make sure to contact us. Thank you.